continuing our mathematical calculations, and we encounter a sophisticated conditional structure. We've got an if, elif, and else. This is a nested if, elif, else structure that exists inside of our original if cross-section visible in 3D block. We have multi-level conditional logic. The outer condition determines if we calculate manifestation, and these inner conditions determine what type of manifestation. This creates a range-based decision system. Based on the distance from our 3D hyperplane, we select different cross-section forms. Distance 0 to 10, full cross-section, possible forms. Index 0, like seeing a complete cube. And then it goes on, partial, minimal, point or line, just a tiny manifestation. Notice how each condition builds on the previous ones. Python evaluates these sequentially. If the first condition fails, it tries the second, then the third, and finally the else catches everything remaining. Think about real 4D physics. As a 4D entity moves further from our 3D space, we see less and less of it. A tesseract close to us appears as a full cube, but as it moves away through the fourth dimension, we see increasingly simplified cross-sections until it's barely visible. This nested structure demonstrates professional decision architecture. The outer condition controls whether we do calculations at all, while the inner condition determines exactly what calculations to perform based on precise distance ranges. You might have heard that nested if statements should be avoided because they can make code complex and create hard-to-find bugs. That is often true, but our case here is actually a good example of when nested conditionals do make sense. We're using nested logic because we have a clear hierarchical decision structure. First, is the entity visible at all? And only then, what type of manifestation should it show? This reflects the real-world physics. You cannot determine manifestation type for an invisible entity. The key is that our nested structure has clear, distinct responsibilities. The outer condition is a gatekeeper, a visibility check, while the inner conditions handle classification, manifestation type. This is different from problematic nested if statements that might check unrelated conditions or create confusing interdependencies. In professional code, you might refactor this by extracting the inner logic into a separate method like determine manifestation type with distance in that argument or parameter. That would make testing easier and reduce nesting. But for learning purposes, seeing the complete logic flow in one place helps you understand mathematical relationships between distance and manifestation. The alternative approaches would be either multiple independent if statements, which could allow impossible combinations, or complex Boolean expressions, which would be harder to read. So sometimes nested logic, and especially in this case where you're learning these things, is the clearest way to express the hierarchical decisions. The key, though, is keeping each level focused on one clear decision point.